Hello dear friends, hope you all are doing well. I am sure that all of you have learnt addition of like fractions. What is 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5? It is 3 plus 1, 4 by the same denominator which is 5. Right? So what will be the answer if we subtract 1 by 5 from 3 by 5? 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Any idea? Yes, 3 minus 1, which is 2 by the same denominator. Got it? So the addition and subtraction of like fractions is very simple. If the addends are not like fractions, before adding we have to convert them into like fractions. Here in this question we have two unlike fractions. That means their denominators are different. So how can we make them like fractions? The first step we have to do is finding the denominators LCM. LCM of 8 and 12. So you know to find LCM. So here I have written 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. So 24 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Now we have to convert them to like fractions. So how do we convert them to like fractions? We have to get this 24 as the common denominator, right? Let's see, 5 by 8 into what will give us a fraction with the denominator 24. 8 into what is 24? 8 into 3. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. So here I am writing 3 by 3. So what will be our answer? 5 3s are 15 by 24. So what should we multiply with this 12 to get 24? 2. 2 into 12 is 24. So 12 into 2, 24. The same 2 I have to multiply with the numerator also. Otherwise the fraction will change. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So I am writing 2 here also. 7 2s are 14. So see here, 15 by 24 and 14 by 24 are our like fractions. Okay. So now we got the like fractions. We can add now easily 15 plus 14 by 24. Okay. What is 15 plus 14? 15 plus 14 is 29 by 24. This is an improper fraction. So we can never write our answer in improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. So for that we can divide it. 29 divided by 24. Once 24 will get 5 as the remainder. Right? So how can we write the mixed fraction? 1 5 by 24. That is our final answer. 1 5 by 24. Okay. So now you all know how to add unlike fractions. Now shall we try to subtract unlike fractions? I have taken the same fractions here and we are going to subtract them. 5 by 8 minus 7 by 12. So the steps we should follow are the same. First we have to find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 12. Our LCM is 24. Then we have to find the like fractions. So we have already found. So 15 by 24 and 14 by 24 are the like fractions. Now we just need to subtract them. So 15 minus 14 by 24. So what is our answer? 1 by 24. So If you know addition of unlike fractions, the subtraction of unlike fractions is very simple. Now let's try to subtract mixed numerals or mixed fractions. So the first step what we have to do is convert them to improper fractions. So here what must we do? 2 into 12 we have to do. Whole number into the denominator. 2 into 12, 24 plus 5, 29 by 12 minus 1 into 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 6. Right? So now we got two fractions. They are improper fractions. If our answer comes in improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed fraction at the end. Now we will proceed like this. Okay. So here the denominators are 12 and 6. So the steps what we had followed in the previous problem, we have to follow here also. So we have to find the LCM of 12 and 6. What is the LCM of 12 and 6? It is 12 because 12 is a multiple of 6. So LCM of 12 and 6 is 12. So we got that. Now what is the next step? We have to convert them to like fractions. That means we have to make fractions with the denominator 12. So how do we write that? 29 by 12 into what will get a fraction with the denominator 12. So we know 12 into 1 is 12. So we multiply the same thing. We are going to get the same fraction here. And what about the next one? 7 by 6 into what? We'll get a fraction with the denominator 12. So 6 into what is 12? 2. So let's multiply 2 with the numerator also. 2 sevens are 14. So these are our like fractions. So after finding the like fractions, we can subtract them. 29 minus 14 by 12. So what will be our answer? 9 minus 4, 5. So 15 by 12, which is again an improper fraction. So we cannot leave our answer as an improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed. So we have to divide 15 by 12 and check. So 1 into 12, 12. We got the remainder 3. So how do we write the mixed fraction? 1, 3 by 12. 1, 3 by 12. Is this our final answer? No, it is not our final answer because 3 by 12 is not in its simplest form. So we can divide 3 and 12 by the common factor and make it into the simplest form. So what is the common factor of 3 and 12? It is 3. So divide 3 and 12 by 3. What will we get? 1 by 4. So this is our final answer. The same problem we can solve in one more method. We can subtract the whole numbers first and subtract the fractions after that and add both those answers. So here I have subtracted 1 from 2. 2 minus 1 plus 5 by 12 minus 1 by 6. Okay. So this way is simpler. So here 5 by 12 and 1 by 6 are unlike fractions. So we have to make them like fractions. So we have to find the LCM of 12 and 6. As I had told you, if the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number, the bigger number will be the LCM. So here the LCM is 12 and here I have found the like fractions also. So 5 minus 2 by 12. So what is 5 minus 2? It is 3. 3 by 12. 1, 3 by 12. right? So 1 3 by 12, I showed you how do we simplify it. We can divide 3 and 12 by their common factor, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our final answer is 1 by 4. So to subtract mixed fractions, we have two methods. One is convert all the mixed numerals into improper fractions, then solve them. Otherwise, subtract the whole numbers first and subtract the fractions after that, add those answers. The second method is applicable only if the first fraction is bigger than the second fraction. So you have to be a little careful when you do this method. It is not at all difficult to check which fraction is bigger, right? You have already learned the comparison of fractions. What is 10 by 10? Is it a fraction? Yes, it is a fraction, but it is an improper fraction. What is the value of 10 by 10? It is 1. Yes, so 10 by 10 is equal to 1. What is 25 by 25? It is 1, right? So what is 13 by 13? It is 1. Any number by the same number gives us 1 as the answer. Okay. So imagine on a math test you got 9 out of 10. So how many marks did you lose? You lost 1 mark. So if the test was out of 10, 10 by 10 minus 9 by 10, you get how much you lost? 1 by 10. So this 10 by 10 I can write as 1, right? Because 10 by 10 is equal to 1. So what is 1 minus 9 by 10? 1 minus 9 by 10 is 1 by 10. See here, 10 by 10 minus 9 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10. I have written this 10 by 10 as 1. So 1 minus 9 by 10 is 1 by 10. You just need to subtract the numerator from the denominator. Okay, let's solve a few more problems of the same type. Can you tell me the answers for these problems? 1 minus 6 by 7. So what will be the answer? Yes, 7 minus 6 is 1. So your answer will be 1 by 7. Okay. So what is the answer here? 1 minus 50 by 73. 73 minus 50 is 23. So 23 by 73 is your answer here. And what about this problem? 1 minus 35 by 71. 35 plus 35 is 70, we know that. So 71 minus 35 is 36. 36 by 71. Okay. So did you all understand how do we subtract a fraction from a whole or from 1? It is very simple. You just need to subtract the numerator from the denominator and write that number as the numerator of our answer. Let's try to solve this problem. Here they have given a whole number minus a mixed fraction. So we can write this whole number as a fraction. How? We can write 5 by 1. You know 5 by 1 is equal to 5, right? 5 by 1 minus, here we can convert them into improper. 13 by 7. We have to find their LCM. What will be the LCM of 1 and 7? 7 is a multiple of 1. So the LCM will be 7. Yes, so LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. Now 35 by 7 and 13 by 7 are the like fractions. So now we have to subtract them. 35 minus 13 by 7, 22 by 7. So what is 22 by 7? We can divide and find out. 22 divided by 7, 3 times 21, 1. So the mixed numeral will be 3, 1 by 7. Right. So let this answer be here. I will show you one more method to find this answer easily. This is our question. 5 minus 1, 6 by 7. So I am going to subtract the whole numbers first. 5 minus 1. After subtracting 1 from 5, I have to subtract 6 by 7 also from that. So minus 6 by 7. So what is 5 minus 1? 4 minus 6 by 7. Do you know to subtract 6 by 7 from 4? No. But you know to subtract 6 by 7 from 1, right? So here I am going to write this 4 as 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? 4. So 3 plus 1 minus 6 by 7. Now you tell me what is 1 minus 6 by 7. This we already discussed, right? So 1 minus 6 by 7 is 1 by 7. How did you get that 1? 7 minus 6. So 3 plus 1 by 7. So the final answer is 3, 1 by 7. So look here. We got the same answer here also. So which method you found easier, you can choose that method to solve this type of problems. As I told, there are many ways to solve fraction problems. Practice well, continue having fun with fractions. See you all soon with another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.